What are you doing?
Oh my!
Happened? You're dabbing.
Forgive me for what I must yabba dabba do.
Oh, rest in peace.
That's a dead person.
They're dead. They're dead.
How to get the second channel taken down in 2 minutes.
Oh my god, you should go back to that channel that me and you found at 4 a.m.
No.
Oh,
Why?
there they go.
Because it all sucked except for a couple really gory pictures.
Yeah, it was awesome. Everybody would love it.
Whoop!
Goodbye.
Exit stage left.
Holy
Oh,
shit! Everybody
dude,
left the fucking bus.
That video's gone now. That's so sad.
No, I have that.
Oh, you do? Thank God.
I have most of the recent dash cam. Like from, I think, 10
What
onward.
the fuck?
Bro.
Dead.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Oh no.
Oh, this bitch went flying.
Holy shit!
Almost
Got that
fucking
side
wrong.
airbag.
Dale.
Oh my God! Here's a steroid needle just sitting
Dude,
right
she's
on the
gotta
ground.
be like really hurt because she got yeeted really fucking
Yeah.
hard.
Oh.
Oh, they're good.
Pull your pants up, get back going. Why does no one in a
great.
cab wear a seatbelt?
I was just in here.
Oh my god.
She's got yeeted really
Didn't
hard.
spill the coffee.
Hey, what's up? I keep my coffee with no lid. Goodbye.
I keep my coffee.
Oh.
No way.
Oh no, he's out the door.
Hit it from the back and drive you gay.
Oh, I thought he got knocked out.
His friend is like, oh.
Oh my god.
Good night. Someone's gonna go flying.
Why do people not wear
Oh.
seatbelts?
Fuck, bro.
I don't
Like
know.
a fucking
Oh, the panto.
mile-an-hour crash turns into a fatal crash.
She's dead. She's dead.
Oh,
I
this is
mean-
my favorite.
Oh,
Oh.
Out the top of a convertible.
Funny cat. Holy shit.
Later, bring on
Oh,
the
they're
Oh,
bitches,
oh, they cracked the concrete with their body.
They're dead.
I need all my bitches. I need all my bitches. I'm gonna emote at no one.
Oh no.
Ah,
Oh.
shit. Fuck. Where are they?
Yeah, they are.
Hello.
Ah,
I
You
just,
gotta
I just
presume they're
downloaded
dead.
GTA 4 and I love just driving into concrete and flying out the windshield.
Go get this. Go to the swing set, Mike.
I think you can do that in 5 single player too.
Yeah, you can. You
The
can fly out of
windmill.
the car.
Yeah,
The
but there's something
ragdolls.
special about 4.
The ragdolls are a lot better in single
it's
player.
because GTA 4's driving physics was fucking the shit.
Oh,
It
Yeah,
felt
this
like
is
you
next
were-
level.
It felt like you were driving a fucking sailboat, and like a lot of those cars were old and shitty, so it fit. Like the taxi, that's I would assume that's how a taxi would drive.
oh,
Oof.
I'm really annoyed how every video is slow motion.
yeah.
Can there be anybody anywhere?
I just survive. It's like hide in a bush.
Oh,
Fuck.
Holy fuck.
oh, this is my favorite.
Everyone is
The
your
frame rate
favorite.
on this though, that was a high speed.
Yeah, dude, this one's fucking hot. Where them bodies at? Show me
Aye.
them bodies, yeah. Wow, 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 wow.